9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Operation Bang yn Ferndale 2022. Helo pawb, dyma fideo o'n digwyddiad partneriaeth Operation Bang ar gyfer noson tan gwyllt.
Hi guys, this video is from our Operation Bang partnership event on Bonfire Night.
Wnaethon ni gyfweld â phobl ifanc ar ôl y digwyddiad I gael ei far.
We interviewed young people after the event for their views.
It was lovely. I loved it.
So what do you think about the firework display, man?
Oh, I think it was really good. It went on for ages.
It was a lot of difference. A lot more than I actually thought it'd be, and it was better than last year.
Yeah?
So.
Mad?
It was very entertaining.
Awesome, what about you, man?
Very entertaining.
Very entertaining, brilliant.
Good evening. How are you, Lou?
Not bad, not bad. What do you think about the firework display?
Firework display was fantastic, great for all the community getting together. It was absolutely great to be part of Tylus Rugby Club's supporting this event and building partnerships for future events.
Mynychodd dros 1,700 o pobl a roedd y digwyddiad yn llwyddiannus.
Over 1,700 people attended and what a successful event it was.
Diolch yn fawr i'r holl partneriaid a phawb am ddod, un mor gyffrous ar gyfer digwyddiad y flwyddyn nesaf.
A really big thank you for all the partners and for everyone attending. We're excited for next year's event.